Let's discuss pip. Pip is yung package installer ng Python. So sa programming kasi, there are a lot of times na kakailanganin mo mag-build ng features or capabilities sa program mo na pwedeng hindi part ng default Python installation. So sa situation na yon, kakailanganin mo mag-download ng software packages externally or let's just say software packages na hindi built-in sa Python. Ang ibig sabihin ng packages dito ay isa lang siyang bundle of software na ready to use and is built for some specific purpose. So ginagamit natin si pip para mag-download and mag-install ng software packages na yon. So itong mga software packages na to ay nada-download from PyPy or yung Python Package Index. Si PyPy, siya yung software repository ng Python. So ang nangyayari is yung software written by other people is sinishare and pinapublish sa PyPy. Dahil dito, pwede natin ma-reuse yung software na ginawa ng Python community. Which means we actually benefit from the hard work of yung community. So big thanks sa community ng Python. Now to use pip, we use yung pip command or pip3 sa Python 3. Alright, so nandito ako ngayon sa PyPy. So punta lang kayo sa pypy.org kung gusto nyo sa i-check. So nandito lahat ng mga software packages na pwede natin magamit for Python. In fact, nandito rin si pip. So actually, let's do a search for pip. Ayan, so nandito siya. So ito si pip. Ito yung pip software package. Ayan, so pinakita ko lang yan. Although si pip kasi is already included dun sa ating Python installation. Okay, so I'll include both the links for PyPy and pip sa ating resource section. Now, although na-discuss na natin kanina kung kailan natin gagamitin si pip, gusto ko pa rin bigyan kayo ng idea on how these pieces relate to each other. So, si Python kasi is commonly considered as a batteries included programming language. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng batteries included na to? By default kasi si Python, it comes with a lot of useful software packages. These are the built-in software packages and we call them yung Python standard library. So I'll provide a link dun sa documentation page ng Python standard library. So you'll see na maraming built-in software packages si Python. But if in case yung type ng functionality na hinahanap nyo is not included dun sa Python standard library, that's the time that we'll go to PyPy. And to use and download software packages from PyPy, we use yung pip. Okay, I have here yung documentation ng Python standard library. So I won't go over lahat ng nandito kasi sobrang dami. I'll let you explore itong documentation na to and check out if there's anything interesting sa'yo. Again, I'll include a link dun sa ating resources section. Let's discuss yung iba't ibang pip commands. Now, definitely hindi to exhaustive list yung mga commands na nandito na i-discuss natin. Pero ito yung mga pinaka-basic na pwede natin ma-encounter. So, una is yung pip freeze. So, ang ginagawa ng pip freeze is to show yung installed software packages. So, pag ginamit natin siya, ipapakita sa atin kung ano yung mga currently installed software packages. Now, there's an alternative which is yung pip list. Pero for the most part, yung pip freeze pa rin yung pinaka-preferred. I'll show you yung difference later on once we go and try out yung mga different pip commands. Now, the last two are quite straightforward. Pip install to install a package and then pip uninstall to uninstall a package. Alright, so let's get into how to use pip. So to use pip, we need to type the pip3 command since we're on Python 3. Ngayon, pag in-enter natin to ng walang arguments, ayan, try natin. Papakita niya actually yung mga available options. And as you can see here, yung mga discuss natin na pip commands is nandito sa mga pinakaunang available options natin. Yan, so we have yung install, we have uninstall, we have freeze, and also we have list. Yan, so pinakita ko lang muna yan para makita nyo yung mga available options natin. Okay, so first let's try to use pip freeze. So pip3 freeze, and then papakita niya kung ano yung mga currently installed packages. So at this point, wala pa akong mga naka-install na packages. As you can see, blank lang yung output niya. And then yung sinasabi ko, yung alternative which is pip list. Yan, so makikita nyo lang dito yung mga packages na just exist by default. Ito yung mga packages na related sa packaging mismo. As you can see, pip itself is included dito sa mga existing packages. Yun, but so in reality, if we use yung pip freeze, wala pa talaga tayong ini-install na mga packages. Let's get to some examples of installing packages. So itatry natin is isang package used for working with IP addresses and another one for working with web or HTTP requests. Now, it's worth mentioning na both itong functionalities na to na itatry natin i-install are available by default dun sa Python standard library. However, yung mga install nating software packages from PyPy, we can consider them as sort of extended versions nung the ones found dun sa standard library. Okay, first let's try to install pip3 install net addr or net address. So ito yung Python package for working with IP addresses. So install natin yan. Ayan, so successfully installed net address or net addr. So pip3 freeze ulit tayo. Tingnan natin kung kasama na siya dun sa list. And as you can see, nandito na siya. Okay, so meron na tayong isang package installed. Now let's try to uninstall this. Yan, so confirm lang natin. Ayan, so makikita nyo, successfully uninstalled net address. Now let's get into another example. We'll be using yung package na pangalan is requests. So ito yung package that is used for working with web and HTTP requests. Okay, so parang yung ginagawa nung browser natin. So again, pip3 freeze tayo. So as we can see, wala na ulit tayong packages installed. So pip3 install requests. So installed na siya. And actually kung mapapansin nyo, may mga iba pa siyang in-install na packages. Okay? So let's try to do pip3 freeze. Ayan, so makikita nyo, merong 5 na packages na nandito. And isa doon is yung requests. Okay? So ano nangyari dito? Bakit 5 yung nandito? So, ang nangyari kasi is nung pip3 install tayo dun sa requests package, install din niya yung mga required packages para sa requests. Okay? So, yun yung mga tinatawag natin na dependencies. So, ang situation nun is yung requests is kailangan niya rin itong mga iba pang packages na to para gumana siya. Okay? Okay, so uninstall lang natin yung requests package na ininstall lang natin kanina. And then confirm. Okay, so successfully uninstalled na siya. Now, let's confirm with pip freeze again. Okay, so kung makikita nyo, nawala yung requests package. Pero natira yung mga ibang packages kanina na kasama nung ininstall natin yung requests. Okay? So, bale ito yung mga dependencies niya. Ngayon, to uninstall itong mga to, we can just uninstall them manually. And actually, pwede natin silang uninstall ng sabay-sabay. Confirm lang natin lahat. Okay, so wala na. Just an important point kung bakit natira yung mga packages kanina. So, hindi kasi siya basa-basa pwede na lang i-remove automatically. Now, what if kasi merong ibang package na nakadependent dito sa mga packages na to? So if na-remove sila automatically, then that will result to a broken package, okay? So hindi sila basta-basta pwede automatically i-remove, okay? So that's why we have to uninstall them manually. So important 'yon. So kung magre-remove kayo ng any package, just make sure sure kayo na kailangan sila tanggalin. In this case kasi alam naman natin na yung requests package lang naman yung may kailangan dun sa mga packages na yun na tinanggal lang natin since nagte-testing lang naman tayo. Okay, here's a summary ng lahat ng na-discuss natin. So unang-una, of course, we had an introduction to pip, which is yung ating package installer for Python. And then we also discuss yung PyPy. Siya yung software repository ng Python. And then we also had a discussion on when to use pip. So let's say if we want to download and install a software package na nandun sa PyPy, yun yung gagamitin natin si pip para mag-download and install nung package. So for the most part, this will be the case if hindi natin mahanap yung kailangan natin dun sa standard library. And then finally, we went through yung mga different pip commands. We went through yung pip freeze, pip install, and pip uninstall. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Alright, so I've included a summary of the points I've discussed in this lesson for your review. And if you're new to Python, I've also included a software installation guide so you can get started. I'll include the link beneath this video. Thank you for watching, and if you've learned something from this video, I'd appreciate if you would give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.